Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to learn the third topic of lifeline of economy. Okay, in geography book, this is the last lesson. This is the last topic. What is the communication? Yes, in our school also we are giving more important for communication. Yes, spoken English and everything. But here we are not going to read about the spoken English or some other things. Communication is very important for our economy. Okay, yes. How the communication help the economy to develop? So for example, human appear. When human appear, do you know? This is long ago. There are thousands of years, millions of years. Before millions of years, human beings were appeared. Yes, we know about that. On that time, people became nomads. What that? Nomad. There is no language. On the time, there is no language. They have used only but the pictures. And then next, they kai asaikiradhu, board several dark drawing pandrathu. Okay, adhe pola da communication. So on the time, they have used the communication. Yes. So we are talking about in China, the letters are like in a picture. Letters are like in Tamil we can say Sithira Vadival Ezhuthukal. Okay. So on the time they use painting, some other thing for communication, no maths. Okay, some symbols also they will use it. So different communication. After that they have made a drawing, wall picture, wall painting. They have made it. Then they have used the letters. Then there are a lot of languages has come and communication improved. So next, change of modern time. But now, what is that? But now we are using lot of languages. In India also there are more than hundreds of languages we are using. More than hundreds of languages we have used. So in the modern time, without physical movement, we are making communication. Communication means we are transferring the message on the time. After 10 kilometers, any villages are there, they are directly going and giving the talking, sharing the messages. In kingdom, they have used the dove for sharing messages. Yes, they have used for communication. But now, the technology has improved. We are here. My father, friend, or uncle, relation, anyone in abroad, Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, any other places. But we are talking with the same places. Now you are watching online classes. This is also one of the technology development. Okay, communication and taking the class alone, but you are watching the lessons in your home. So without the physical movement, you are not moving, you are not going to school, but you are learning the classes in your home. We are talking with our relation in abroad. Yes, our father or mother in abroad, but we are in India. We are calling. We are communicating with the father and mother, our relation. So, without the physical movement, we can communicate with our relation. We communicate with the yes. Next, mass communication. What are the? This is one of the 3-mark question. Mass communication is the 3-mark question. What are the mass communication? Nowadays, we can spread the message with a single. For example, TV. This is one of the good example. TV for advertisement in news. Okay, 6:30 news channel. When we are seeing the news channel, yes, the spread. Only one reader is explaining the news, but all over the world, what is that? All over the world, watching the TV and gathering the news, getting the news. That is called mass media. What is that? Mass media. Not only TV, radio also. On the time, Saidigal Vasipade. Okay, but somebody read the news in radio also. And press meeting. Yes, you know about press. And film. Yes, some Vijay film also. Tamil Nadu government made censor. And the problem actually. Yes, I don't know about the film name. Okay, I don't want to share any information about that. But yes, some films also share the information. Not only this, newspaper, magazine, Now we are using WhatsApp, Facebook, everything is mass media now, mobile phone. Mass media now. Yes, and the next is India Post. First, what is that? India Post is started there, but India Post is the largest postal service in the world. India Post is the largest postal service in the world. For example, not only India Post is not only sending the letters, it also carry the parcels. We can send the parcel through post office. At the same time, this personal and non-personal. Okay, yes. Next, the Indian Post, there are two types. One is first class Indian Post and the second class Indian Post. The first class Indian Post is use land. What is that? Use land and air. Yes, air transport, land transport. We are using air transport and land transport in first class Indian line. Yes, this is too fast. And then second class is book, newspaper and land and water. Yes, we are sending the book, newspaper. These are second class mass media, and this is land and water. Yes, we can send this by the ocean. Yes, it will become late. Compared with the first class, second class is late. Second class is late. Next, in our post office, we are using speed post. Yes, normally, if we send the letter, it will take 3 days. If you are sending speed post, next day it will reach. Okay, so speed post for quick delivery, 6 channels. Okay, in it there are 6 channels separate for the speed post. What are they? Rajdhani. What is the Rajdhani channel? Metro channel, green channel, next business channel, bulk channel, periodical channel. So there are 6 speed posts for quick delivery channel. They are used. So post for communication. Post office is good communication from ancient. Okay. So communication is very important for us.
Next, Digital India. What is that? Digital India. Digital India is an umbrella program to prepare India for knowledge-based transformation. Now only we are using mobile phone, internet and everything, lot of facilities. But before 15 years, what is that? Before 15 years, 20 years, there are no facilities. There are no more facilities. On the time, STD booth, the 1 rupee coin booth, there are famous. I think the DMK MP, Dayanidhi Maran introduced that one. Yes. So the Focus Digital India program is on being transformative and realize IT. IT means Indian talent. IT means Indian talent plus information technology equal to IT. India tomorrow. What is that? In future India. In future India, they have said about India tomorrow. So IT means Indian talent plus information technology equal to IT. Indian tomorrow. India tomorrow, and is on making technology central to enabling change. So next, India has one of the largest telecom network in Asia. I already told you postal service, about the postal service. India is the largest postal service in the world, but telecom, India is the largest in Asian continent. What is that? Asian continent. So excluding urban places, more than 2/3 of the village in India have already been covered with subscriber trunk dialing. We are telling no STD, local STD. So what is the explanation of STD? Subscriber trunk dialing. Subscriber trunk dialing. Yes, telephone facility. So more or less in the 2005, 2004, on the time after 2000, there are more STD facility in all the villages, all the maximum of the villages. In order to strengthen the flow of information from the grassroots to the higher level, the government has made special provision to extend 24 hours STD facility to every village in the country. So on the time, in the beginning of the 21st century, in the beginning of the 21st century, the government arranged, what is that government, first in the post office, every post office is having STD. Every post office is having STD. So they have introduced STD in all the villages. There is a uniform rate of STD facilities all over India. It has been made possible by integrating the development in the space technology with the communication technology. So the STD, what is that? The STD, subscriber trunk tiling. Okay, the STD is helping the people to communicate easily. It make the communication easy. Mass communication, I already told you, this is a important 1 mark. Mass communication is important 1 mark. So what is mass communication? To provide international entertainment and creates awareness among people about various national program and policies. Not only newspaper, it also included TV, telegram, radio, television, newspaper, magazine, book and film. Okay, now mobile phone, that also mass media. And all India radio, what is the Akashvani? On the time when I was child, I have listened daily news in All India Radio. Yes, because on the time, before 25 years, the radio news were famous in the villages. Akashvani, செய்திகள் வாசிப்பது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு வாசிப்பாங்க. ஓகேவா? So broadcast a variety of program in national, regional and local language for various categories people. The news is not only in Tamil. National language, what is our national language? Hindi. Okay. And then next official language English, regional language, our regional language Tamil. So all kind of language used in the news reading spread over different part of the country. Doordarshan is the government channel. What then? Doordarshan is the government channel. The national television channel, India's national television channel. Okay, in India is one of the largest terrestrial network in the world. So in India, India is the one of the most important network of TV channels. So broadcast variety of program from entertainment, educational to support, etc. for people different age group. So India publishes a large number of newspaper and periodical annually. Okay, for example, in Tamil there are lot of newspaper. Okay, for example, Dinagaran, Dinathanthi, Dinamani, Dinamalar, then Daily Hindu. There are lot of newspaper. So in India there are more languages. In each languages are having more newspapers. So there are different type of, depending upon their periodicity, newspapers are published in about 100 language in dialect. And did you know the largest number of newspaper published in the country? This is not a recent report. This report is old one. Okay, so first Hindi. What are the answers given in your book? You must follow that. Okay, you don't want to take any information about from the net. Okay, because finally your book answer only correct for the public exam. Hindi followed first. Most of the newspaper come in Hindi. Most of the newspaper come from Hindi, and then next English. After that Urdu. So India is the largest producer of feature film in the world. So திரைப்படங்கள் தயாரிக்கிறதுல இந்தியா தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருக்கு. It produced short film, video feature film and video short film. There are more kinds of films also done by them. So the Central Board of Films Certified is the authority of certify both India and foreign film. And the next, international trade. What is international trade? Trade with the foreign countries. That is called international trade. For example, the exchange of good among people, states and countries is referred to as trade. Okay, நம்ம வந்து வியாபாரம் பண்ணுறது தான் trade. So the market is the place where such exchange take place. Trade between two countries is called international trade. Trade between two countries, not two states, not two villages, not two town. Two countries, that is called international trade. It may take place through sea, air or land. Kandipa. Definitely if you want to travel with Africa, what is the air transport and sea transport. If we want to travel with Bangladesh, we can use land transport. So our neighboring country, we can use land transport. Sea, air and land. And while the local trade, okay, if you want to travel to district, what we can use? Cities, town, village, state level is carried between two or more states. Advancement of the international trade, a country is an index to its economic prosperity. It is therefore considered the economic barometer for the country. So trade is very very important. With the help of trade only, we can develop our country. Yes, next. As the resources are space bound, no country can survive without international trade. International trade இல்லாமல் எந்த ஒரு கண்ட்ரியாலையும் வாழ முடியாது. Okay, and in the ancient time also they have made a trade. Okay, import and export. Export and import are the components of trade. The balance of trade of country is the difference between its export and import. Each and every country want to export more, import less. That is called a favorable balance. Export அதிகமாக இருந்து import கம்மியாக இருந்ததுன்னா நமக்கு income அதிகமாக வரும். So that is called a favorable balance of trade. Otherwise, if the export is low, import is high, நம்ம இறக்குமதி வாங்குறது அதிகமாக இருந்து விற்கிறது கம்மியாக இருந்தால் நமக்கு தான் நஷ்டம். That is called the unfavorable balance of trade. Unfavorable balance of trade. India has trade relations with all the major trading blocs and all geographical regions in the world. Maximum of the countries we are making the trade with the maximum of the countries. The commodities exported from India to other countries include gems and jewelry. What is that? Gems and jewelry, chemical and related product, agriculture and allied. We are trading at that import and export. We are making import and export these materials. The commodities import to India include petroleum. We are buying more crude oil. What is that? Petroleum crude and product. We are spending more money for crude oil, buying petroleum crude oil. So product, gems and jewelry, chemical and related product, base metal, electronic items, machinery, agriculture and allied product. India has emerged as a software giant at the international level. It has earned large foreign exchange through the export of information technology. As Bangalore. In Bangalore, we are keeping this is the capital of information technology. So we are making more export. We export more software materials to foreign countries. By that, we are earning more money. Next, final one. Tourism as a trade. Yes, tourism is a trade only, because most of the country people came to India for enjoying the tour. Tourism in India has grown substantially over the last 3 decades. Last 30 வருஷமா இது வந்து டெவலப் ஆயிட்டே இருக்கு. More than decades means 10 years. Okay, more than 15 million people are directly engaged in the tourism industry. Tourism also promotes national international integration, provides support to local handicraft and cultural pursuit. It also helps in the development of international understanding about our culture and heritage. So most of the foreign people come to India to know the culture of India and heritage of India and festivals of India. So foreign tourists visit India for heritage tourism. There are more kind of tourism. Heritage, நம்மளோட பாரம்பரியத்தை பற்றி தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஈகோ டூரிசம். அடுத்து ஈகோ டூரிசம். நெக்ஸ்ட் அட்வென்ச்சர் டூரிசம். அட்வென்ச்சர் பிளேசஸ் ஆர் தர். அட்வென்ச்சர் கல்ச்சுரல் பற்றி தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறாங்க. தென் மெடிக்கல் டூரிசம். மெடிக்கல்காக இந்தியாவுக்கு வராங்க. மெடிக்கல் டூரிசம் அண்ட் பிஸ்னஸ் டூரிசம். சம் பீப்புள் ஆர் கம்மிங் ஃபார் பிஸ்னஸ், ஏர்னிங் மணி. So there is a vast potential for development of tourism in all part of the country. So efforts are being made to promote different types of tourism for upcoming industries. Okay, so this lesson over. Next lesson we can finally we have only one lesson. Next class we can complete that. before that we want to conduct the test in this lesson. So study well. You can get more marks in social. Study well. Definitely I have hope on you, each and everyone in 10th standard. In this year also must take more mark in social science. Social sciences is very easiest subject, not a hard one. Okay, thank you.